So here 15, 21, 27, 30, 35 given I wrote. Then second column is frequency. So after you get n, from n you should go for median. Modulus of minus 15 modulus is 15. Then midpoint of 200 and 300, 250. Midpoint of 300 and 400, 350. Mean deviation is sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar by n. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of statistics. So now they give xi and fi. Xi, they give xi values, that is 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. Fi 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first they want you to find mean deviation about what? Median. First your task is to find what? Median. How to find median? For median we need number of observations. So first we'll make a table like this. First xi, whatever is given. So here whatever is given I wrote. What is given? Xi 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. So here 15, 21, 27, 30, 35 given I wrote. Then second column is frequency. Fi they give 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now add all the frequencies. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. If you add, you will get 29. So sum of the frequencies we call it as what? N. So n you got. What is n? 29. So after you get n, from n you should go for median. In order to calculate median, we have formula. Median, if it is an odd number, n plus 1 observation. So if it is even number, we will take n by 2 and next. If n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2th observation is the median. N by 2 plus n plus 1 by 2th observation. So means for n you add 1 because it is not divisible by 2. So 29 plus 1 by 2 you do. 29 plus 1 is 30. 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is what? 15. 15th observation is the median. So for that, first your task is to find cumulative frequency. First what you should find? Cumulative frequency. So in cumulative frequency you have to search for 15th observation. So cumulative frequency means we have to add the frequencies. So dear students, first we have to find cumulative frequency. These two are given, but we are finding CF. How to find CF? First write the first frequency as it is. Then you add these two. 3 plus 5, 8. Then for 8 you add next frequency. 8 plus 6, 14. Then for 14 you add this. 14 plus 7, 21. You write 21 here. 21 plus 8 is 29. So like that fill the cumulative frequency. So now number, see, the sum of frequencies and last entry in cumulative frequency should be same. So now last entry is 29, sum of the frequencies, that is capital N is sum of the frequencies, that is 29. So now 29 is an odd number. For odd number, how to find median? N plus 1 by 2th observation is median. So 29 plus 1 by 2, 30 by 2, 15th observation is median. 15th observation in cumulative frequency, 15 is present in what? 14 to 21 we have. So 15 is present inside 21. So after 14 directly we have 21. We don't have 15. So 15 is here. So therefore 15th observation means in 15th cumulative frequency find x. What is x here? 30. So 15th observation. What is the 15th observation? That is 30. 30 is capital M. So now we got median. Median is 30. Here I have solved the same. So now n is 29. Therefore n plus 1 by 2 if you do, that is 29 plus 1 by 2 if you do, you will get 15. 15th observation in the table, if you see, 15 is present in this cumulative frequency, that is 30. So 30 is called as what? Median. After you get median, each x value you subtract from this median. So x minus median. What is median? All of you know median is 30. So 15 minus 30, modulus of 15 minus 30 if you do, modulus of minus 15 modulus is 15. So 15 minus 30 is 15. Then 21 minus 30, 9. 27 minus 30 in modulus gives you 3. 30 minus 30 is 0. Then 35 minus 30 gives you 5. So fill the column modulus of xi minus m. Means each observation you subtract from medium and take modulus and write the value. Modulus means what? If it is negative, make it positive. Then fi and this you multiply this. Multiply fi into modulus of xi minus m. If you multiply fi into modulus of xi minus m, 3 into 15, 45, and 5 into 9, 45, 6 3s are 18, 7 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, and 8 5s are 40, you fill this. Now you add all this. When you add all this, you'll get 148. This is called as sigma fi modulus of xi minus m, will say. So now we got summation. Summation is what? 148. Now going ahead, we want mean deviation. What is mean deviation formula? 1 by n into sigma fi modulus of xi minus m. 1 by n means 1 by 29. Sigma fi modulus of xi minus mi. M is in the table 148. So calculate mean deviation, you will get 51.03. So dear students, just let me conclude. So first, how to calculate median? In order to calculate median, so if n, in last problem we had, in my last session I have done a problem, there n was even, but here if n is odd, if n is what? Odd, or we will say instead of small n, I will take capital N, because n means sum of observations. If n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2th observation. N by 1 plus 2th observation is median. This is the basic, and this is the median. Then apart from that, the second thing is mean deviation. How to calculate mean deviation? Sigma fi modulus of xi minus m divided by capital N. This is the mean deviation formula. Once you know this formula, you can construct the table. Table contains xi, then fi, then you will have modulus xi you will have, and frequency you will have, then you will have modulus of xi minus median you will have, then fi into modulus of xi minus m you will have. So this is the thing. Then you will add this, and here you will add this to get n. So that's what we have done here to get all the values. And for this, mean deviation is what? 5.103. Next problem, they give class intervals. Again, find the mean deviation about mean they want. Mean deviation about what? Mean. So class interval they give 0 to 100, 100 to 200. These are the income per day in rupees. Number of persons. 0 to 100, 4 persons will get, 100 to 200, 8 persons will get, like this. Now construct the table. So table, income per year is one column, whatever they give. So here we are writing whatever is given. And here number of persons or number of things is called as frequency. And we have to find mid value of this. So this observation is in the form of class interval. It is in the form of lower limit and upper limit. So first find x. Xi means what? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Average of this. 0 plus 100 mid value. We say midpoints. So our 0 and 100 midpoint is 50. How to calculate 0 plus 100 by 2? Now 100 plus 100, 200. 200 by 2, like that it goes on. 100 to 150 it is. 100 to 200, what is the midpoint? 100 plus 100, 200 by 2, 150. Then midpoint of 200 and 300, 250. Midpoint of 300 and 400, 350. Like that, find the midpoints, we call them as xi. And if you want mean, we want fi into xi. So multiply these two. Fi into xi. So how to get midpoints? If they give interval, you should find mid value. Add the lower limit and upper limit and divide by 2. 0 plus 100 by 2, 50. 100 plus 100, 200. 200 by 2, 150. 200 and 300 mid value is 250. 300 and 400 mid value is 350. Fill the midpoints, we call them as xi. Now multiply fi into xi. 4 into 50, 200. 8 into 150, 1200. 9 into 250, 2250. Like that. Now this is fi xi. So now you add all, you will get 17,900. Then xi minus x bar in modulus. So first we should find x bar. What is meant by x bar? Mean. So what is mean of grouped data? So we have a formula. Mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by n. So sigma fi xi means, so add this fi xi. If I add this fi xi, I'll get 17,900. And divided by n. N means sum of the frequency. Sum of the frequencies, this is n. 50, simplify this, 0 cancels. Now 5 3s are 15, 29, 5 5s are 25, 40, 5 8s are. So 358 is the mean. So you'll get a mean, that is 358. So now x minus x bar. Every observation, this you subtract with x bar. What is x bar? We got just now 358. So each observation, 50 minus 358 is 308. Modulus means modulus of 50 minus 358 gives you what? Modulus of minus 308. Modulus of minus 308 is 308 positive. And then 150 minus 358, 208, 250 minus 358, 108, 350 minus 358, 8, 450 minus 358, 92. Like that, we'll get modulus of xi minus x bar. This is the column. Then fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So now you do multiplication of. So now you do multiplication of this two. Fi into this. So frequency in this 4 into 308. 1232, 4 into 208, 1664. So you fill this column. Now add all. This is called as what? Sigma fi xi minus x bar. Sum of this. And we have n. So now we'll go for mean deviation. What is mean deviation formula? Mean deviation is sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar by n. So the numerator part, that is sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar is 7896 divided by n, sum of the frequency, that is 50. So simplify this. When you simplify, you will get it as 157.92. So first we calculated sigma fi xi, that is 17,900. Then we calculated mean. Mean is what? Sigma fi xi minus fi xi by n. Simplify, you will get 358 mean. Then we'll complete the table. Then we'll get this substitute. I hope all of you got this. It's plain and clear if you are thorough with the formula. How to calculate mean for grouped data? Mean for grouped data is sigma fi xi divided by n. N means what? Sum of frequency. Sigma f. So use the formula and solve the problems. I hope all of you. Next problem. Find the mean deviation about mean for this data. Again, this is grouped data. So make a table. Heights 95 to 105, 105 to 115, and like that they gave till 145 to 155. Number of boys they gave 9, 13, 26 till 10. So make table. So make table for this 95 to 105 and make table for this and continue. You will get same method and solve it. Here, what are the two important things? See, problem 9, if you are thorough, you can do the problem 10 by same method. So first, you should calculate mean using the formula. What is the formula? Sigma fi xi divided by n. Then you should calculate mean deviation. What is the formula for mean deviation? Sigma fi xi minus x bar divided by n. So these two are the important concepts. And I hope you can complete the 10th problem by seeing this 9th. So 9th completely I've solved. Refer video for 9th and solve this problem. So I hope complete this. Then we'll go ahead with new concepts in my next class. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.